everyone, this is Julie. Today we are going to be painting some shutters. This one's a little bit different. The customer wanted us to put a primer on before we put the gray color on. So we're going to do that, and let's get started. Got the primer poured in. Paint these shutters with the primer and then put the coat of color on after the primer dries. Okay, now we got the primer on, so we're going to let that dry, and then we'll put the choice of the color of the customer picked out. So that will be next, and then we will put hinges. This customer here at the lake wanted hinges on these, so that will be next. Okay, so now we got the primer on, and now we got the color going on, and you just want to make sure that you go around the edges, making sure that you've covered all the wood, and make sure that there's no drips on the sides. And then you stain it up and let it dry, and then after it's dried, we will put the hinges on it. You can see here, like a little spot here, you want to take your paintbrush and dab it inside just to make sure that the wood's all covered. Okay, this one looks pretty. Customer chose a really pretty color. I like this gray. Just double check your sides and your ends, make sure that the paint is on there good and there's no wood showing. Looks good to me. Okay, so we got the shutters painted. There's 8 of them. You know, anybody that wants some barn doors, they already come with the hardware. If you put the doors together, I want to say they're 75 wide and 82 tall. If we don't install them, if you live in the DFW East Texas area, we can deliver them to you. They're $675, and if we install with the hardware and stuff, it's $975. So if you want some doors, they're really, really pretty. But back to the shutters. I got them all primed and stained, and then after they dry, I will put the hardware on them. Like I was saying earlier, the customer wanted hinges, so we're going to dress these shutters up. Thanks. Now it's time to put the hardware on. Okay, so y'all can see what that's going to look like. Okay, here's the finished product, and I think they look great. And then now all there is to do is install. Okay, now we're loading up the shutters for install. I think they turned out really good. What do you think, Tristan? You think they turned out great?
Yeah, they look good.
He's going to do shutters, but he also works for Gary's Termite and Pest Control. Get Gary's and get them gone. One man, 2 jobs. So if you need shutters or pest control, call Tristan. Okay, they're on the way to the lake. Got this side done. Now we're just doing the other side real quick. Mosquitoes are biting. A wasp is after him. Did you get it?
Yep. Here's termite physical.
Huh?
Here's termite physical.
Kill a wasp
Yep.
while hanging shutters. Okay, so everyone, here is how they look. This customer just inherited this house. They live up in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and they inherited this lake house, so they're trying to fix it up. I think it'd be cute. But there it is. So cute.